Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here we are discussing the question balanced round on Codeforces. So the problem states that you are a author of Codeforces round and have prepared n problems you are going to set. Problem I having difficulty AI. You will do the following process. Remove some problems from the list. Rearrange the remaining problems in any order you wish. A round is considered balanced if and only if absolute difference between difficulty of two consecutive problems is at most k, which is less than or equal to k. So what is the minimum number of problems you have to remove so that the arrangement of problems is balanced? So first of all, the input contains t, which is number of test cases, and n and k, which is number of problems and the maximum allowed absolute difference between consecutive problems. The second line of each test case contains n separated integers ai, the difficulty of each problem, and the sum of n does not exceed 2 into 10 to the power 5. So here we need to output the minimum number of problems you have to remove so that arrangement of problems is balanced. So let's look at the first example. For the first example, we have n is 5. Let's first write n and k. So n is 5 and k is 1, and then we have the list as 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now if you take the difference of first two elements, it would give us 1, and as our k is 1, it is valid, so we can keep these elements. But as we go further to 2 and 4, we see that 4 minus 2 gives us 2, which is greater than k. So hence we can't keep either 4 or 2. Now we check the next element, which is 4 and 5. So it is giving us 1. Now we 6 and 5 are checked, so it is also giving us 1. So one possibility can be keeping 1 and 2 only, and the next possibility can be keeping 4, 5, 6. So here if you see, we need to have the minimum number of elements to be removed. So if you consider minimum number of elements to be removed, the output would be 4, 5, 6. So hence 1, 2 is removed, which means minimum 2 elements need to be removed from. So going on to this logic, how to do this? First, let us take an example. We take this list and we can sort it. So it would give us 1, 3, 5, and then 12 2 times, then 17 2 times, and then 20. Now we check the absolute difference between the elements. So first we can have our count equal to 1 and our variable answer equal to 0. Now when we check 3 and 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So what is k here? K is 3 in this case. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So yes, we can keep this. So the count is incremented to 2 because initially we had 1. Now going to 5 and 3, same case, difference is 2. So we increment the count to 3. And also our answer is maximum of answer and count. So our answer is also 3 here. Now when we go to 5 and 12, so 12 minus 5 is 7. So we can see the difference is greater. Whenever the difference is greater, we again set count to 1. So the count is set to 1. After that, we check 12 minus 12. Yes, it is 0, so it is less than equal to k. So we increment the count by 2. We take the maximum of 3 comma 2, which is 3 only. Now moving to the next element, we have 12 and 17. So the difference is 5. So our count is reset to 1. Now what we have is 17 and 17. Difference is 0. Count is 2. 17 and 20. Now here difference is 3. So count becomes 3. Answer is maximum of 3 and the previous 3. So the answer remains 3. Now what we need to return simply is the total elements minus this answer, because this was the answer of the elements that we need to keep. So whatever we need to remove is n minus answer. Hence we have here n equal to 8, answer equal to 3. So 8 minus 3, which gives us answer as 5. And you can see for the third test case the answer is 5. Also we can look at the case which is smaller, like 1, 10, 5. So we have 1, 5, 10. Here we have difference as 4. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So we have 1 here. 5 minus 10 minus 5 is 5. So again it is going to 1. So the answer remains 1 only. So I hope you all understand this solution. Thanks for watching.